Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create WooCommerce variations for your products. Let's get started. So I have this particular product right here and I want to create a variation for that. So to do that, we need to head over right here to our dashboard, head over to our products and click on all products right here in order to see all the products that you have on your store. So let's head over and locate the pencil that we're talking about earlier. So here's our pencil. So what we can do in this case is just head over and click on this edit option that should appear just beside the product description. So here's the edit option, click on it, and then from in there, this will load. Now here's the product. So let's try to scroll down and click on this product data. You can see here the simple product. So what you can do is to just head over and then click on it until you can see in here this option for variable product. So click on that. And then as you can see, the settings right here have changed. So what we can do in this case is we need to head over right here to our attributes. Let's click on this add new attributes right here in order to add new attributes, or you can also select some attributes as you can see on this case. Now you can actually head over and then add an attribute for size, for color, for quantity, or anything that you want for that. Now you can head over right here to your variation, and this will generate the variation related to the attribute that you have added. So earlier I have added size variation, so that will create in here some variations according to size, such as XS, S, M, L, XL. So this variation is actually not applicable to pencil, but just head over and then just choose the right variation that you want for you. Then after that, just head over and then save the process from all of this. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions or if you have found this video helpful, so leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.